Here we will see interface in PHP. An interface allows the user to create programs specifying the public methods that a class must implement without involving the complexities and details of how the particular methods are implemented. It is generally referred to as next level abstraction. It resembles the abstract methods and abstract classes. An interface is defined just like a class, but the class keyword is replaced by the interface keyword and just the function prototypes. The interface contains no data variables. The interface is helpful in a way that it ensures to maintain a sort of metadata for all methods a programmer work. General syntax for defining interfaces: interface, then interface name and the methods that you want to implement through interface. Here we have defined two methods, method A and method B. Characteristics of interface are: an interface consists of methods that have no implementation, which means the interface methods are abstract methods. All the methods in interfaces must have public visibility scope. Interfaces are different from classes as the class can inherit from one class only, whereas a class can implement one or more interfaces. To implement an interface, use implements keywords with interface name along with the class name, that is class name, implements, interface name, and the methods that we have defined in the interface are implemented in the class. Advantages of using PHP interfaces are: an interface allows unrelated classes to implement the same set of methods regardless of their position in the class inheritance hierarchy. An interface can model multiple inheritances because a class can implement more than one interface, whereas it can extend only one class. The implementation of an inheritance will save the caller from full implementation of object methods and focus on objects interface. Therefore, the caller interface remains unaffected. Here we will write a PHP script for implementing interface. First we will add a file and we will save it as interface.php. First we will add HTML tag, then we will add title tag, and we will give the title PHP script for implementing interface. Then we will add body tag and we will add PHP tag. First we will define interface and in interface we will define one abstract method. In interface method we are not going to write any code. Then we will define one class, test class, which implements our test interface. Then we will call the test method from the interface and we will write code for that method. Then we will create an object of our class, test class, and we will call the method test method from that class. To execute, we will check Apache server is started or not, and then we will open the browser and we will call the method interface. it will print interface method implemented.